Let's touch it. Why would you smell the sand? Oh, there. Soft sand. Ow, I got dirty.
Oh my god.
Up here, up here, up here.
Ano ba naman ito pumasok na sa
Tapos mamaya-maya, yung bago kong chinilas, dumi na naman.
record ka?
Yes.
Yes. Wow! Anyong kasi yun. Aray ko naman. Swimming pool oh.
Oh, yes.
Swimming pool. Swimming pool. May dagat na rin swimming pool pa. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Swimming dagat. Nakatawa din siya.
Wait, what is that in the distance?
Ano yun? Jellyfish. Hindi, mamaya. Nakukuha doon ka mamaya.
Jelly.
Ano to? Aray ko, kailangan ko ng crab.
Sure ka crab yun.
Kasi ang hot ko daw. Huy! Aray ko.
Day, ikaw ba yung sun?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Sinabi ko hindi.
Aw. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit?
Hey, bow princess.
Oh my god, let's touch the sand!
Nakatak na.
Oh yeah. This is more softer this time.
Aray ko.
More softer.
Aray ko.
Ooh. I wanna touch.
Ay, wala
To
pala.
touch this. I'm bringing one. Did you know there's a lot of... I can't even finish my sentence. Such a long walk day. And I'm clearly tired right now. Hold on a minute. Where'd Poopert go?